In this video, I'll show you how to add email accounts to Outlook. It's going to be a full guide video. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. This video is only for educational purposes only. So open up your Outlook. What you need to do, click on this. You're going to be able to see this mail icon with plus. Click on it. You're going to be able to see add email accounts. You can be able to add Outlook, Gmail, Exchange, or iCloud. So click on it. So let's say if you love to add your account, you can just add up, I think for test tutorials 6 at gmail.com. So I'm going to click on add account. So yeah, I think like this is one of my accounts I just use for tutorial purposes. So wait for it to open up. So just click on this continue. So what is left for you now is to just add up the details, right? Once you add it up, you're going to click on next. Then you're going to be able to do a two-factor verification to be sure that you're the one that is doing this or performing this action. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.